Hello, Namaste. Let's talk about high blood pressure today. So it's affecting even youngsters, even I think before the age of 30, many people have been diagnosed with high blood pressure. So having blood pressure measurements consistently above the average values may result in a diagnosis of high blood pressure or hypertension. The higher your blood pressure levels, the more risk you have for other health problems such as heart disease, heart attack, and stroke. Our anxiety and stress causes the release of stress hormones in the body. These hormones trigger an increase in the heart rate and a narrowing of the blood vessels. So both of these changes cause blood pressure to rise, sometimes dramatically. You know that feeling, the fight, flight or freeze feeling, the tense muscles, pounding heart, rapid breathing and sky high blood pressure. So for our ancestors, they had to go hunting for food every day. And when they go through the forest, they will come across wild animals which are dangerous. So this stress was playing an important role in their life. The moment they realize they have to escape from this wild animal, the stress hormones will be released and they are ready for usually flight or fight if needed. And then they escape after some time. Blood pressure totally comes to normal level. But in today's modern living scenario, we don't have to fight with tigers and lions, but we have to fight with our bosses in the work environment. So when the boss is unhappy with you or maybe sometimes shouting at you, you cannot fight, you cannot flee, so you freeze. But the body changes are the same. And then the problem here is the boss goes back to his cabin, but you cannot be relaxed. Even that night when you go to sleep, this scenario is playing in your mind. So it is the stress level 24/7. That is what is creating problem for our health. We can do some stress reducing activities which will help to lower the blood pressure. So first of all, check your body weight. Bring your body weight under control in case you are overweight. Then get plenty of sleep. There is no excuse. It is during sleep that our body cells rejuvenate and repair. Check your to-do list. Are you packing too many things? Be realistic and simplify your schedule. Whenever you feel the stress creeping inside you, take deep and slow breaths. That will help to relax you. Do some exercise daily. Of course, yoga and meditation are helpful. Reduce your salt or sodium intake. I don't know whether you have heard this saying that a banana a day keeps blood pressure at bay. Banana is packed with potassium, an important blood pressure lowering material. Potassium helps to balance sodium in the body. The more potassium you eat, the more sodium your body gets rid of. And keep aside 15 minutes a day. I'm not asking for more. 15 minutes a day for pranayama. Do Anulom Vilom, Bhastrika and Kapalbhati pranayama. So why should you do pranayama? How is it going to help you? We know that the stress in the mind is causing high blood pressure. So in the modern day living, we know that it is the mind that causes stress, not an extraneous wild animal. Okay? So breath has direct connection with the mind. You regulate your breaths through pranayama and the mind comes under your control instead of the mind being your master. So try these. And I'm planning to make sort of meditation specifically for bringing down stress in people having high blood pressure values. So be on the lookout in this space for that at a later date. Bye for now. Namaste.